In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Valorant error FAN9006 on Windows 10 or 11. The first solution is to update your Windows operating system. Press the Windows button, then click on Settings, navigate to Windows Update, and click on Check for Updates. Let Windows download and install the latest updates automatically. Afterwards, restart your computer to see if the problem persists. Another solution is to reset or uninstall the Valorant game. Press the Windows button, click on Settings, then navigate to Apps, then go to Installed Apps. Find Valorant. You can reset the game or uninstall it completely and reinstall it after. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.